Defiant Powder, off to a magnificent start. Bookies are nervous. Defiant Powder is right there. Continuing around the track, it's bow-tie competition. Defiant Powder in second position. Gossip Splash contending for position. Just ahead of Secondary Serpent. Frivolous Fish in 12th position. Up against Thunder. Defiant Powder in first spot. Bow-tie competition in second place. Gossip Splash in third. Heads up and down with Beer Cappuccino. Frivolous Fish in 12th. 3 lengths away, it's Thunder. Still going, it's Defiant Powder. Bow tie competition wants the front. Closely followed by Gossip Splash. 9 Caterpillar in 12th. 2 lengths away, it's Thunder. As they straighten for home, it's Defiant Powder. Secondary Serpent in second spot. 9 Caterpillar in 12th position. And then it's Thunder. Gossip Splash punched out and won it. Defiant Powder second. Third at the line, Lake Lollipop. It's race on here at Parson's Valley. Pocket Lush jumped away brilliantly. Neon Sword breaking in. Pocket Lush maintaining the lead. Neon Sword in second. Hatbox Clash putting the pressure on. Then Sandwich Foam. Badger's travelling on the fence. Bespoke Butter at the head of affairs. Amateur Aurora getting moving. Just has a margin over Cheap Cinder. On their back is Sandwich Foam. Just in front of Pocket Lush. Travelling underneath horses is Hatbox Clash. 3 lengths behind, it's Badger. The race continues with Bespoke Butter. Amateur Aurora in second spot. Pocket Lush on the out. Neon Sword next. Badger still in the last spot. Bespoke Butter piloting the field. Pocket Lush in 5th position. On their back is Neon Sword. Hatbox Clash in 7th place. 5 lengths away, it's Badger. Bespoke Butter leads the race. Pocket Lush to the outside. Next it's Bespoke Butter. Coming up towards the line, it's Amateur Aurora. Pocket Lush in 4th position. Amateur Aurora wins, just holds by Sandwich Foam. Bespoke Butter in 3rd. We're underway here at Sewell Meadows, and the favourite gets a magnificent start. Alarming Air right up there with the leader. Number 2 leading. Robot Raspberry wants the front, trying to brush off Diplomat Raven. Going hammer and tongs with Alarming Air. Earthly Cabin in 6th, looking to make it from Autumn Amulet. Number 2 still in 1st place. Robot Raspberry in 2nd position. Alarming Air in 3rd position. Neck and neck with Earthly Cabin, closely followed by Autumn Amulet. At the 700 marker, it's Alarming Air. Diplomat Raven on the fence, and then it's Earthly Cabin, head and head with Autumn Amulet. Still going, it's Earthly Cabin. Diplomat Raven in 2nd place, trying to keep off Alarming Air, followed by Autumn Amulet. Robot Raspberry moving right on the outside, putting up a challenge to number 2. Continuing around the track, it's Earthly Cabin. Autumn Amulet in 4th spot, just ahead of Alphabet Anchovy. Number 2 in 8th position. Earthly Cabin at the head of affairs. Diplomat Raven next. Autumn Amulet covering extra ground, just has a margin over Image Silence. Alarming Air secures a great win. Diplomat Raven in 2nd place. 3rd at the line, Image Silence. It's race on here at Sewell Meadows, and the favourite is driving the pace right from the go. Right there is Boisterous at Sue. Lightning still out running the rest. Proud Enigma in 2nd, being overwhelmed by Hunter's Corduroy from Glory Goat. Lightning in control. Proud Enigma in 2nd spot. Colonel Cushion pushing past horses. Lightning once again in the front spot. Colonel Cushion scraping the paint off the rails. Proud Enigma in 3rd place, pushing hard in front of Glory Goat. Strange and Sweet with a brilliant turn of foot. The race continues with Lightning, Colonel Cushion in 2nd place. Proud Enigma in 3rd place. Winning Post Blues, Colonel Cushion in 2nd position. They straighten up for home, and it's Lightning, Kick Soldiers with a withering run. Lightning gets the money, just beating Hunter's Corduroy. Glory Goat in 3rd. Gates crash back. Number 8 has begun well. Frosted Headline is also in the run. At the half mile, it's number 8. Frosted Headline covering extra territory. Just behind, it's Hilarious Laugh. Plot Camel piloting the field. Hilarious Laugh gaining momentum and flying through. Sword Lawsuits with a magnificent run. Stallion's Suit charging through. Number 8 feeling anxious, stride for stride with Princess's First. Then as the race moves on, it's Sword Lawsuit. Next, it's Stallion's Suit. Discovery Cardigan pushing past horses. Putting in a strong bid with Plot Camel. Number 8 seems to be in a good position. Toe-to-toe with Princess's First. Sword Lawsuit keeping the lead. Clock Camel in 5th place, putting up a challenge to Priceless Lot. Princess's First in 10th position. 1 length behind, it's number 8. About to run for the judge, it's Sword Lawsuit. Clock Camel in 5th spot, followed by Ideal Elegance. Hilarious Laugh taking the win in the final strides. Stallion